Inhale and come back on the four-fours. Let us do the cat and the cow pose. So with the next inhalation, inhale and lift your head up, push your tailbone down and curve your back a bit. Stay here for the breathing. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale and curve your back spine, touch your chin to the chest and stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this again. Inhale and come back to cat. Stretch. Push your tailbone, curve your back, look up. Stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, 3. Exhale and come back to cow. 1, 2. Let's do once again. Inhale and cat. Look up. Stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, 3. And exhale and come back. 1, 2, and counter this back stretch. Let us go back to child pose. Put your arms in the front, or if you like, put your arms beside you, whichever is fine for you. And stay here for 3. 1, 2, and 3. Back on 4-4s. Next, we're going to do lift one arm and one leg. So it should be diagonal. So follow instructions. With the next inhalation, lift your right arm and left leg, keep it straight. And with the exhalation, try to catch your arm and the leg, lift up, look up. Stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale. Back, straight, and come back to vertical position. We do the same thing on the left side. So inhale and stretch your left arm and right foot. Exhale and try to catch your ankle and lift up. Get chin up. Look up. Stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale and come back. And exhale and come back to vertical position. Next, we go to Shashankrasana. Keep your feet up and only stretch your arms and keep this alignment. And you can touch it with your forehead or chin. Stay here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale and get out.
Namaste. Let's start some few warm-up asanas. Sit with Sukhasana, Victim Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's start with Parshva Vajrasana. Raise your both arms above the head. Slowly inhale. Away, palm facing each other. Exhale. Bend on the right side. Take your right arms down. And bend on the right. 1, 2, 3. Come back. Both arms up. Bend on your left side. Inhale. Left arm down. Right arm up above your ear and look up. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Come back. The both arms up above the head. Next, Parivrata Vajrasana. Take your both arms on the right side. Inhale. Right arm down or the left arm on the right knee and look straight. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Come back to the position. Both arms up above the head. Turn on the left side. Inhale. Twist your body on the left. Look straight. 1, 2, 3. Come back and exhale. Both arms up, palm facing. Next, Laghu Vajrasana. Take your both arms on your behind. Inhale. And look up. Push your chest up. 1, 2, 3. Come back to the position and exhale. Slowly, arms down.